Hello, so my name is Joonatan Huang. I go by Huang and Ming here in China.
大家好，欢迎大家来到这个学期我们第6次主题课程。
Excuse me.
Do you have any problems?
Yeah, could you make sure that I have the right technique here?
Okay, please.
So,
Okay, fine.
the fa again.
Yes. Keep this gesture and just put your hands on the hose. Oh, good.
And I lost it.
Why did you become interested in the bamboo flute?
Oh, so what you said about loving to play, the songs you love and feeling satisfied when you master a tough part of a song. I have the exact same feeling with singing or playing the guitar. Growing up in Finland, I always loved many Chinese songs, and I heard some of these instruments. And then when I came here to PKU as an exchange student, I attended this class which was called something about like Chinese music. And we went through various Chinese instruments, and I realized, oh wow, now that I'm in China, I have a huge opportunity to actually learn a Chinese instrument. So I wanted an instrument that's very different from something I used to play, like guitar. I've never played any wind instrument whatsoever.
How do you feel about it?
I feel great. It's a wonderful instrument, and I did know from the get-go that it was going to be a challenge, because not only is it a completely new instrument, a big part of the lesson is in Chinese, so there's a lot of terminology I might not quite understand right away. However, it's also an opportunity to learn Chinese in addition to the instrument. And speaking of the tough parts and overcoming them, while it took me quite a while to learn even the most basic fundamentals, and I'm still learning, the fact that I am actually making progress feels amazing, and I'm really excited, and I just think it's a lovely instrument. All in all, I'm really glad I joined the club to practice it.
Certainly. So what about your learning goals?
My learning goals. I would love to eventually be able to play the flute well enough to actually play entire songs, but to also use the bamboo flute to write my own songs. I already write songs, and I would love to incorporate the bamboo flute maybe in like 1 or 2 years, hopefully faster, but I know that learning an instrument is very much a long-term project. A short-term project, perhaps learning a single song such as Jasmine Flower, a very famous one. I feel like that's a good first step for me.
Oh, no problem. I think you can make it.
Thank you.
After 6 lessons, he has already mastered the melody of Jasmine Flower. Music is a universal language that transcends all borders. Peking University serves as a dynamic bridge for cultural exchange, connecting students from China and around the world. Here, the serene elegance of Chinese traditional music meets the majestic overture of Western brass and strings. Young people from diverse backgrounds unite here through music. When Chinese and Finnish students come together to perform Jasmine Flower, this collaboration becomes a living example of the ideal. Each cherishes its own beauty, admires the beauty of others, shares beauty together.